I understand that comments are disabled for this video. There are a few possible reasons for this. The video creator may have disabled comments to prevent spam or harassment. The video may be controversial and the creator may not want to deal with the hassle of moderating comments. The video may be part of a larger series or playlist and the creator wants to keep the discussion focused on the video itself. If you have any questions or feedback about the video, you can try contacting the creator directly. Here are step-by-step solution. First step, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data if possible. Second step, clear the cache and data of YouTube app. To do this, long press on YouTube app. Tap on info icon. And find storage, then tap on clear cache. And tap on clear data, confirm to clear it, then go back and find permission. Allow all the permissions. Check if your problem have solved or not. Fourth step, update the YouTube app. To do this, tap on Play Store or App Store. Search for YouTube. Check if there is update, so update it. Fifth step, restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. To do this, long press on device's power button. And swipe to restart it. Check for YouTube server issues. Sometimes, YouTube may experience server problems. You can check the status of YouTube servers on websites like Down Detector. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be on YouTube's end, and you may need to wait for them to resolve it.